Hello friends, welcome to back again. Now I am share new earning PayPal application, unlimited PayPal cash earning now. First time application open, application link video description, sign up method, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. I am use Google options best way Google options. Okay, sign up successfully. First time sign up bonus $1. Okay, I'm just click now spin option, spin climb now $0.25 free. Oh, very nice. Best earning application. Okay, $1 winner, $1,000, $10,000, very easily. Only games play earning. Okay, and invite and earning available now. Okay, I'm watching now my label options. Okay, click this your profile icon and your label up must be 5 level up complete must be. Okay, 5 level up not you your level not complete, referral bonus not receive. Okay, I'm use games playing 2 level complete and I'm just click now trim option. Level complete must be 10 level. Okay, 10 level must be completing now. Okay, open my main account, live withdraw share. Okay, sign up must be, and my total earning $49. Okay, withdraw available earning, and I'm just click on claim options. Okay, I'm just click on claim option. Week and daily winner option available now. Claim this lottery and unlimited PayPal cash earning now. Okay, lucky number just select, try to trick it, earning now unlimited. Okay, video watch and 1 ticket earning now, unlimited ticket earning, and winner chance 99%, and level up complete 10 level. Okay, complete must be 10 level complete, winner chance 99%. Okay, and next option $5. Okay, draw just only 3 hours. Okay, video ads watching now and 1 ticket climb now. Okay, unlimited climb and unlimited ticket earning now. Okay, video ad watching and back again now, 2 ticket earning now. Okay, and I am back again now, live payment proof share options. Okay, today lottery winner options watching now, and my total earning $349, live withdraw payment proof share. Okay, and total revenue. Okay, and I'm just click now $49 withdraw. Okay, click this withdraw options. Okay, and I'm just click now withdraw option, and my total withdraw available I'm showing. Okay, all payment cash out options available now, and withdraw option I'm just click now submit your information, your name, your address, your country, your city, and your PayPal email address. Okay, and scroll down and select and submit now. Okay, and I am just waiting now, minimum withdraw $10. Okay, you winner unlimited $1,000, $4,000. Okay, 4 day I'm just waiting now, and my payment received. Okay, open Gmail account. Okay, payment receipts, Gamee apps. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. Thank you.